FAAC 455D. Control Board Complete Wiring and Terminal Explanation. Today, we will fully explain the FAAC 455D Control Board Wiring Diagram for Swing Gate Operators. By the end of this video, you will understand how this board works like a professional installer. Hello friends, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. Power supply connection. First, look at 3 terminals block. Connect incoming AC supply earth wire to terminal PE is protective earth input. Connect neutral wire terminal N is neutral input. Connect live wire terminal L is live input. Power requirement: 230 volt AC and 50 Hz. Important: always install proper circuit protection and isolate power before wiring. Dual motor connection. Now move to next connector. These terminals control 2 swing motors. Motor 1 connection. Terminal 1 is used for motor 1 common wire. Terminal 2 is used for motor 1 open direction wire. Terminal 3 is used for motor 1 closing wire. Note: Terminal 3 and Terminal 2 is connected, also capacitor. Motor 2 connection. Terminal 4 is used for motor 2 common wire. Terminal 5 is used for motor 2 open direction wire. Terminal 6 is used for motor 2 closing wire. Note: Terminal 5 and Terminal 6 is connected, also capacitor. Important note: Dual gate system motor 1 is normally controls the first leaf. Motor 2 controls the second leaf. Single gate system, you can use motor 1 terminals. Opening and closing delay can be adjusted in programming. The output of power supply for motors is 24 volt DC and 800 watts. Flashing lamp connection. Terminal 7 and Terminal 8. Connect flashing lamp directly across Terminal 7 and Terminal 8. This output is for a warning light. Specification: 230 volt AC, maximum 60 watt. Function is when gate moves, lamp flashes, warns vehicles, and improves safety. Push button and pedestrian connection. Connect one side of push button to Terminal 9. Other side to Terminal 14 common of the command input. Terminal 9 is open A. This is the main command input. The function is press once. Gates opens. Press again. Gates stop. Press again. Gates close. Terminal 10 is open. B. Connection is push button between terminal 10 and terminal 14 common. This is pedestrian opening. The function is only one leaf opens. The leaf is motor 1. Useful for walking person, bicycle, and small access opening. Terminal 11 is stop input. Terminal 14 is common for stop input. Emergency switch. Normally closed input. The function is when activated, all gate movement immediately stops. If not using stop device, install jumper. Single pair photocell connection. Now safety section. This is a single pair of photocell. This is an inside circuit diagram of photocell terminals. Connects the power supply to transmitter and receiver. This is 24-volt DC power supply of the transmitter and receiver. Let connect safety terminals. Terminal 12 is closing safety. Terminal 14 is common terminal. This safety working when gate closing. The working of photocell is a beam clear. Gate closes normally. Beam interrupted. Gate stops and reverses. Important: if photocells are not installed, install required bridge according to setup. Lock output. Terminal 20 and 21. Electric lock output. For electric lock supply, 12-volt AC. Use when gate requires electric lock for stronger closing force. Limit switch terminals. Terminal 22 is FCA for motor 1. Terminal 23 for FCC for motor 1. Terminal 24 for FCA for motor 2. Terminal 25 for FCC for motor 2. And the common terminal for this terminal, 14. Meaning: FCA stand for fully open position. FCC stand for fully closed position. Function: stops motors exactly at end positions. Friends, now you understand. The FAAC 455D Control Board Complete Wiring and Terminal Explanation. If this guide helped you, subscribe to Auto Door Surgeon, like the video, and comment which control board you want explained next.